everyone. First, a huge thanks to Newer for providing us with these prices. Also, a huge thank you to everyone that's participated in the past contests. And a big shout out to all of the winners. Congratulations. We have Juan Jomenta, Natalia Crielli, Adam Loveland, Sander Mejias, Jim Lambert, and Gina Chittenden. I really hope that all of your images are making you some sales in stock photography, and also that you're getting out of your comfort zone and shooting things that you never thought you would. We're in July, second half of the year, and the prices are just getting better. And we have the top-down tabletop setup, the ST200, the overhead camera mount rig, this awesome 30-watt tube light, the TL90C. How about the Bowens mount spotlight snoot, the LS38, creative lighting for photo and video, the 300-watt RGB LED video light, the FS300C. We also have a light stand and softbox kit, one nylon rectangular softbox strip, a parabolic softbox, and not one, but two heavy-duty air cushion light stands. We also have an LED panel kit with stands, not just one, but a 2-pack of the 288 ARC bicolored LED panels with their own stands. For this contest, the price is gonna be the Newer ST200 overhead camera stand with the Arca Swiss plate. Anytime you wanna do any kind of top-down photography, look at that, solid, the camera stays up there. It is super easy, adjustable, flat lay photography, product shots, food photography, overhead video, stop motion animation, crafting tutorials, drawing time lapses, even unboxing videos. You can adjust the height from 25 to 37 inches. It's heavy duty construction, holds up to 10 pounds. And I mean, I'm telling you, it is solid. A quick snap Arca type QR plate so you can switch gear in seconds. I mean, seriously, there it is. No, it's not. Rubber padded base to protect your desk. L-shaped brackets and clamps to hold your seamless paper or background securely so you can customize your build, attach lights, magic arms, microphones, whatever your setup needs. It even works in a desk as narrow as 32 inches. Honestly, it's not just a stand, it's a production rig. And again, a huge thanks to Newer for making this possible. I actually used this stand to make the stop motion animation that you'll be seeing here shortly. Now, as for the theme, look, as usual, I choose a subject based on what to shoot for stock photography. This is a free guide that you can download at wollertzphotography.com. Scroll all the way to the bottom and put your email there. Then you'll get access to 20 monthly ideas of things that you can shoot for stock photography that do sell. Now, for this one, I had a hard time. You know, there's really cool things that I wanted to try, and yes, there's World Vegetarian Day, same thing with Taco Day. Those make some great stock photos, but we've done food, we did grilled cheese and we did ice cream. So I wanted something a little bit different. And I thought about really making it a challenge and choosing something like First Responders Day. But I want more participation. That would be a great seller, but not everyone's in the same boat. So instead, I chose something that I shot a year ago, and those photos sell every week. For a year, they've been selling weekly, so I know it's a very high sellable subject. And for this contest, the theme is going to be World Teachers Day. Photos celebrating teachers around the world, classrooms, online teaching, laptops, blackboards, green boards, whiteboards. Use yourself, use your friends, your family. I mean, life itself could be a teacher. Think outside of the box for this contest. This is a real chance to shoot something emotional, something meaningful, and something very sellable for stock photography. Like I said earlier, I made a video last year and those photos sell weekly. I actually just sold 3 this morning on Getty and 2 in Adobe. So they are very good selling images. If you want to watch that video, I'll link it at the end of this one so you can get some ideas. But these photos are very sellable. Now, as usual, there's many rules and things that I have to follow every time I do a contest or a giveaway here on YouTube. The first thing is that YouTube has nothing to do with this contest, nothing at all. It's just a platform I'm using to host this video. This is me, Wollertz Photography, and Newer, which is providing the prices. Now, again, there's shipping limitations around the world, so please visit the official rules and regulations on my website, wollertzphotography.com. There'll be a link down below with all of that information. There's also a link where you can start uploading those images and also to rate the images. I really do appreciate every single person that rates the images because it's massive help in choosing the winner. In this video, I'm also going to include step-by-step instructions on how to upload and rate the images and the pull unit thing. So in the video description, you'll find a link right here on the top. When you click that link, it's gonna take you to the contest page. And then you see right here, in green, it says add photo. So when you click add photo, that's gonna take you here to select a file from your drive. And then you can add your title, your name, and a description. Now I'm just gonna upload this photo as an example. It's for a thumbnail I'm working on, so that's just why it's here. So creator, I'll put my name. Description. So yes, I accept the terms and conditions. I recommend you reading them right here. You can click the link and it'll open up all the terms and conditions. Yes, I agree. And then yes, I agree to the privacy notice, which just says that I'm not gonna use your photo for anything else but these videos. When I hit save, my internet's a little bit slow, so just bear with me. That's it. So it says thank you. I can add another photo, share, or go back. You can share a link or share the photo. So here I can go back now and add another photo because I'm allowed 3 per participant. Now, after you upload your photo, it'll take you to this page here which says thank you and thanks for your input, it's very helpful. If you click on this, wollertzphotography.com, it'll take you to the official page of rules. If you click share, you can share the page with someone else. If you click go back, that'll take you back to where you can rate the images. So you can get here 2 ways. You can hit go back and now you can start rating images. Simple, 1 to 5 stars, 1 being the lowest score, 5 being the highest score. And I ask you to rate all of the images because it's very helpful when I'm selecting the winner at the end of the month. Now, if you lose this page, you can just go right back to the video and that link under the video description, and that'll take you to that same page as well. Now, the first time you rate an image is gonna ask you for your email, and this is just for security reasons to verify and to keep this as honest as possible. But it's only gonna do it the first time. After that, then you can come back and rate all of the images. And again, please rate all of them. And that's pretty much it for uploading and rating images. So let's get back to the video. You have 2 weeks from today to upload up to 3 photos, and then after that, there's 1 more week to rate those images. Now, you always retain the right to your images. I'm not gonna sell, I'm not gonna profit from your images. I'm only gonna use them in the photo critique when we announce the winner, and in a video like today where I announced the previous winners, but that's it. They're your photos, you retain the rights to those images. Please make sure to read all the rules carefully, and if there's anything unclear, please let me know, and I'll do my best to clarify. And again, if you haven't already, go to wollertzphotography.com and download your free guide of things that are highly sellable for stock photography. And trust me, every time I make a video with that list, things are selling. So I know they sell, and I hear from you guys that you are selling some of those photos as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell so you can get notified every time there's a new contest because the prices are getting better and better. I can't wait to see what you create. Let's celebrate teachers around the world and get creative. A huge thanks to all channel members because you guys are the official sponsors of this channel. So thank you so much, and may the odds be ever in your favor. Did I say it right this time?